In this video, we'll show you how to create a Binance account using the referral code MTNNPP26 to receive an exclusive sign-up bonus and a trading fee discount.
Step 1. Click the sign-up link below in the video description or comment section to register. The referral code will be applied automatically when you use the link. Enter your correct email address or phone number in the provided field, and then click on the Next button below. When you sign up for an account using the app, don't forget to enter the referral code MTNNPP26 and hit Sign Up. After registering, the system will redirect you to the email verification page. Open your email to find the account activation code. Copy the code and paste it into the verification code field below. The next step is to create a strong password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers. To finish, tap on the download button to get the app on your phone.
How do I get a verified account on the app to receive a bonus?
Step 1. Log into the app. Tap on the user icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Tap Verify to start your verification process.
What is the benefit of using the referral link to sign up?
The benefit of using the referral link to sign up is that it automatically applies the referral code, ensuring users receive the bonus without any extra steps.
What should I do if the referral code isn't automatically applied?
If the referral code isn't automatically applied, you can manually copy and paste the provided referral code from the video description into the sign-up process.
What is Binance Referral code?
MTNNPP26 is Binance Referral code. This code can be used while creating a new account to claim a $600 sign-up bonus and get 20% off all trading fees. Enter referral code MTNNPP26 during sign-up and claim up to $600. You can claim the sign-up bonus just after creating a new account on Binance with a referral code.
How to claim the welcome bonus?
Step 1. Log in to your Binance account. Step 2. Once logged in, look for the Rewards Hub or Promotions section. This is typically located in the top navigation bar or on your profile page. Step 3. Browse through the available rewards, which may include trading bonuses, referral rewards, airdrops, or other promotions. Step 4. Once you've identified the reward you want to claim, click on the Claim button associated with it. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure you meet all the requirements. Step 6. After claiming the reward, check your account balance to verify that the reward has been credited. It may take some time for the reward to reflect in your account.
What is Binance and what services does it offer?
Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, offering a platform for buying, selling, and trading over 500 different cryptocurrencies. It offers various trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and copy trading.
What is copy trading on Binance and how does it work?
Binance's copy trading feature allows users to mirror the trades of professional traders. By following successful traders, users can potentially earn profits from their strategies.
How can I deposit, withdraw, and complete KYC verification?
In the next videos, I'll walk you through how to deposit, withdraw, and complete the KYC process. It's a simple process, and I'll make sure to explain every step clearly.
How can I download apps and step-by-step guides?
Visit leonacademy.org to find app download links, referral code, promo sign-up bonus code, and complete guides. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to catch the next videos.